Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Reddit is fun forbidden error, login, API changes and access troubleshooting. How to fix Reddit is fun forbidden error. The Reddit is fun forbidden error is an HTTP 403 block caused by Reddit's strict API restrictions on third-party applications. To fix it, download the latest revamped manager, get a clean and patched RIF APK, and run the builder with the updated spoof client patch enabled. This automatically routes your traffic through an approved access key profile to restore full functionality. Fix 1. Update revamped manager. Download latest manager. Install the newest version of Revamped Manager. Obtain fresh base. Download a clean, unpatched RIF APK file from a trusted repository. Do not open or install it yet. Run the patcher. Open Revamped, navigate to the patcher menu, select the RIF APK, and ensure the default patches are checked. Install update. Compile the patch and choose install. Note, if a package conflict error triggers, uninstall your existing RIF first, then press install in Revanced. Fix 2. Utilize Red Reader client ID spoofing. Install Red Reader. Download the Red Reader applications via GitHub or an open source library. Authorize account. Log into Red Reader using your primary Reddit credentials first. Match settings. In Revamped Manager's patch configuration for RIF, navigate to Spoof Client Settings. Make sure it is utilizing the pre-configured Red Reader client key profile. Log in to the RIF. Open your newly patched RIF app, select Manage Accounts, and log in. When the web prompt requests app authorization permissions, choose Allow. 6. 3. Create a new personal OAuth key. Access settings. Visit Reddit app preferences inside the desktop web browser. Generate profile. Delete old profiles and select Create another app. Choose the installed app radio option. Configure parameters. Name the application. Set the redirect URI field exactly to Reddit expand :// auth and submit the form. Input the token. Copy the alphanumeric developer string listed under the app title. Feed this string directly into the change OAuth client ID patch text block inside revamps before running your next build compilation. Fix 4. Bypass login failure blocks. Clear app storage. Navigate to Android system settings, then go to apps, then go to RIF. Wipe both the cache and app data. Web view reset. Open the Android system web view application in your Google Play Store. Click uninstall updates and re-update it to clear lingering login token cookies. Toggle a VPN. Reddit's automated rate limits actively flag unauthorized login request depending on geographic routing. Connect to a trusted VPN protocol, switching nodes across regional boundaries like Europe to cleanly force the verification script to load. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.